If I was to start tech all over again in 2026, here are 3 things I am going to start doing immediately. As at this time last year, I was just hoping to break into tech. I just started my journey in data analytics. As at this time last year, March 3rd, I was still learning data analytics, hoping to break into it and get a job and, be solid, have a roots and, just grow basically. If I was to start all over again, like let's say I am starting all over again, I am trying to break into tech with the knowledge I have now, and I am starting all over again. Here are 3 things I am going to start doing immediately. Like immediately I made up my mind that this is what I want to do, and I've started. This is what will continue in my progress, like instantly. Now the first one is this: I am going to learn fundamentals, but I am going to learn it smarter. I don't know if you understand this. I am going to learn fundamentals. For example, let's say I am a data analyst, by the way. Let's say I want to learn Excel, or let me say I want to learn Excel and I want to learn the if function. I will not just know how the if functions work. I will know why it works as well. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. Apart from just knowing, okay, this is how it works, I also know why. What is the reason behind this if function? Why does it work the way it works? So I am going to learn fundamentals, but I'm going to learn it this smarter way. I will know the why behind what I am learning. The why, not just the how, but the why behind what I am learning. So I'm going to learn it the smarter way. Now, the second thing I am going to do is I am not going to rely on tutorials. I relied too much on tutorials and guided projects. I will not lie to you, guided projects are amazing. They are great for learning. But at the same time, it all boils down to what you can do on your own, not what someone can do for you. So I am going to rely on small projects, mini projects from day one. I'm going to rely on mini projects. And the third one, and the last thing I am going to do is I am going to make sure I put myself in community. Like, let's say, for example, if I am trying to break into the UI UX space, I am going to find myself within communities. Let's say WhatsApp communities, Slack, Discord, communities that they talk about UI UX designing. If I'm trying to break into web development, I am going to put myself in the middle of people trying to break into web development, web building as well. I am going to put myself in community over content consumption. So I'm going to consume less content, like less tutorial, and instead try to build my relationship more. I am going to less consumption on tutorial or content and higher community, higher relationship building. This is one thing that I missed when I was learning. What I'm saying is that I am going to put myself in the middle, in the midst. Make sure I find myself in their middle of people that are learning as well, and try to build myself up with them. So if you're on your journey, which of these 3 are you doing, or which of these 3 have you not started doing? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to follow. I drop more videos on tech generally like this. Bye.